Oh, did you just catch me sticking my tongue out? See, he always goes quiet when he's going to press record. Right, it's that time. I had Mr. Producer lift it on the bed because it's time to build it up. My lovely piece of furniture that I have no idea how to build, so it's going to be interesting to do. Let's put it that way. It's in two pieces. Are these the shelves? It's quite light when it's individual. That box is really heavy. There must be that much furniture in it, that much pieces of wood. Or did you just laden it down with bricks? Oh, I think that might be a base or a top. So I'm going to separate them up. But yes, it's a bit like a jigsaw, I think. I'm hoping I'm not too bad at jigsaws. I think. Like I said, I've never built a piece of Ikea furniture up before. And I don't think you're meant to build it up on your bed. But for you guys to be able to see it properly, I've got to build it up on my bed. Simple as that. There's some good tracing paper. What are you smirking at, Mr. Producer? See, this is not Mr. Producer's job, building Ikea furniture up. Because as you can see, every room in the house has got something from Ikea in it, hasn't it? Apart from no, even the toilet has, and the bathroom has, because they've got the cabinets. Hold on. The kitchen. The kitchen hasn't. No, it hasn't. This will be the first piece in the kitchen. I get what you're meaning now. I hope I build it right. I really do. I don't know why, but I'm pretty nervous about building this. I'm going to put that there a minute for while I get everything out. Because this is probably the best way to do it, get all the pieces out, isn't it? Do you think? So then when it says, you should have 8 of these, 6 of these, and so on, you can go, I haven't. I haven't. So there's a top. Because of the paper, it's all sticking together. That hurt. Ah, there's the long piece. I was getting worried. I was worrying that it was going to be like 2 4s instead of 1 straight 8. I suppose you could have done it that way, but I'm telling you, look, it is stuck together. It's static. There we go. I got it. Don't worry about helping, Mr. Producer. No worries. I can manage. You know, just sit there. Don't worry about damsel in distress or anything. He is smirking, don't worry. Did they even put a piece of paper on the bottom? How good's that? And that's the bottom, look. Yes? I'm going to drop these. Oh no, they're both the same because they have tops on, don't they? I'm not saying a word. I'm already confusing myself. And there's my box of nuts. Might be my marbles as well at the end of this. Good for a coffin later. Where are you in it, Mr. Producer? Right, I'm building that. Do you think I can do it? I'm not so sure. But we shall see how good the Ikea instructions are, shall we? So there's all the hazards in all the different languages. Oh, we need quite a few things actually. We need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a pencil, a spirit level, and a hammer. Look, it says. And it says you need 2 people. Look, it says you need 2 people. Right? Don't do it on your own. You need 2 people. I'm not going to do it on my own. All by myself. Anyway, yeah. Do you think I'll need the screwdrivers? It says I need screwdrivers. So should you toddle off to get me screwdrivers? Possibly. Yes. And it says, don't get confused by the instructions. Ring Ikea. Okay. It also says, it's not a ladder. You can't climb up it because you don't fasten it to the wall. Yeah. It's more complicated than what we thought, I think. I'm getting worried now. Right, okay. It looks quite simple on that diagram there. So we'll just use that diagram there, shall we? I like it when there's simple diagram. What if they haven't given me all the bits? Are you going back all the way back to Nottingham? You know, just down the road to get it. Still open. There's still time. I'm going to get all my bits out. Okay, I will rephrase. I'm going to get all my nuts out. I'm going to rephrase again. I'm going to get all these little bits out. Let's figure this out. Right. Oh, I've got an Allen key. Mr. Producer said I'd have an Allen key. So I should have 8 of them. Should I have 8 of them? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's good. I should have 2 of them. Yes. Oh, wait there. No, 2 of them. What's that one? I think they might be inside this. It's a clever way of packaging and confusing. Look, they're in it together. So 1. Two. I should have 2 of them. And 4 of these little beauties. What is that? 1 of them. 1 of them. And, oh, 22 of them I should have. Ooh, I haven't got 2 of them. Is that what that is? They're probably for the feet. You rip them off. Yeah? So I'm presuming that's them. And they just put something else in to come. That looks like, oh, what was it called? Blockbuster? Was it called? Where they had to go down in a line. Oh, doesn't it? Where they used to get all the university students. Oh, God. Blonde-haired guy did it. What? Pardon? Wasn't the Krypton Factor. Wasn't the Krypton Factor. Or the Crystal Maze. Wasn't either of them. They sat behind these podium things and they had to get rid of blocks. There was a question behind every block and they had to do a line of the blocks. Look, it used to go like that. And if they got a line down like that, then they win. And it was always 2 universities against each other. See, I used to watch too much TV on a Saturday night. Yes, I'm presuming there's 22 of them. Right. Number 1. See, it doesn't tell you what to do. It just shows you what to do. What was it on then? Right, okay. So you put the Allen key. Okay. Where's that? Oh, I was going to say, where's that black thing gone? I had it in my hand. Okay, so the Allen key goes in there. And then that goes in there. And that's to screw it in. Ah, so it's to make the Allen key easier. Okay, let's get serious now. Why so serious? We'll start with this bit. Sorry, kiddies. It's about that wide, isn't it? So it won't fall off. Really. You're not going to stand up, okay. Go for that one for the base? Yes? Are you happy with that one for the base? Have you checked? See? That's Crystal Maze or Krypton Factor. Having to put things in. You won't see that side, will you? Did you hear my belly rumble there? So you want that side there? No, I was asking if it was in good enough condition to put it at the base. As the base. You know it's all about the base. About the base. No trouble. No trouble, she says. Okay. This is why you should have 2 people. Are you getting on the bed with me, Mr. Producer? People will start talking. Hold that bit. Have I come through yet? There I am. It is quite easy with this black thing, I think. Possibly. because that would have been hurting my hand by now. I hope I don't mess it up. Should I not do it as tight? No. Hey, it stands up. Oh, I left the Allen key in. It's always a good start. Let's put the Allen key back in. Can I open the bottom one first? That's what I get for trying to be cocky, isn't it, really? Will it pull it tighter? I've got to be going in a hole, haven't I? There we go. That's better. So, alright. Just remind me to tighten them up. I know, I've got it. Got it. I didn't have it, but okay. So there. Right. Now we have to put one of the little bits in with the wood, right? So the wood. Isn't it? I need something to bash this in with. Come on, give me your head. TV remote? No. Book. There's a book behind you. Why? Where's the hammer? In the garage. You want me to go to the garage and get a hammer? Wouldn't it be easier for me to say goodbye and you go and get it because you know where it is? Yeah. See you in a minute. Hello. Right. Mr. Producer went to the garage. He bought a hammer. A hammer is not necessary, so I sent him back for a mallet. That should be... What? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? They're all the same size, the wood is. Don't look at me like that when I'm not sure how to do it. I know, but... Come here, put your finger here. Come here. Come and hold it for me. Is that better? Is that hammered in more now? Yeah, you sure? I'm going to make sure I don't smack myself in the head with that. Or did you want me to stand it up? What? What are you on about? He's doing them funny signs again. What? Are you quite shocked? You look really shocked. I got a text message. There is a little gap though, does that matter? Tiny, tiny gap there. Is it because it's not on some level, do you think? Right, so I'm going to put 2 more wooden things in here. You know what I'm going to do, don't you? You know it. You know what I'm going to do? the same size. No, only one. Only one. That's what it says. I've cheated and looked at the next page. But I've looked at the next page. Look. What? The holes there, is there? Doesn't say anything about holes on them one. I think it's because you can put them either way. That's right. So, there's wood there. So I'll bang it straight through. Yeah, that's what it says to do, actually. Look. You put that bit in first, then you bang those ones all the way through, look. You got a text message. Yes. I'm doing it the Ikea way. At least I understand the signals from Ikea and not this bit. I think I'm going to have to put it on the floor, aren't I? Can you help me? Hey, it stood up. That's not... It's not going to be that tall either. So that's even better. That's even better. Right. Don't move like now. Don't move. I'm being quiet because I'm hoping I've got this one in the right place. Yep. Then the next one goes on, look, into those wooden pieces. It's like it holds itself together. Yeah? Am I doing it right now, Mr. Producer? Get in the hole. I like the fact that it hasn't got a front, middle or back though. It does make it less complicated. Do you get what I mean? Don't you think? For someone like me, it makes it less complicated anyway. I presume that's why everybody likes IKEA furniture. What? That one's not banged in enough, is it? That better. Is the hole small enough now? I'm not jinxing it by saying I'm doing quite good, because I know what's going to happen. I'll do something wrong. I'll either drop the mallet on my fork, always reminds me of a Simpsons episode. Drop it when he's doing the tiles on the roof and he bangs his thumb. Problem is he's banged the nail into his thumb at the same time, so he pulls his thumb up and he's like, oh no, and everything goes everywhere. Sorry. I'm really showing that I watch a lot of TV today, aren't I? But you see, when all the cleaning's done and the day is done, what else is there to do? Colour, watch telly. Perfect for me. See, I like buying nice furniture, so I don't go out and spend my money on alcohol. What's the matter? Is your arm hurting, Mr. Producer? Are you sure now? You know that Mr. Producer always gets me to build up the furniture? Because I can turn around to somebody and they come and see my kitchen and I can say to them, I built that. That's why it looks a shambles. So, but yeah, it's that he always gives me that sense of pride, as in I built it. I know it's so he can film me as well, but it's I'm gonna think that it's the nice thing that I've just said. Yeah. Hey, I'm on track. There's only one each of everything as well. That's not bad. Yes, the top. I was just thinking, why is there another one of them? There's no more shelves. I had a little panic then. Oh my god, I'm missing a shelf. I'm going under the illusion that they wouldn't be going all the way in if I wasn't in the hole. Is that the right illusion? Well, think about it. They wouldn't be going further down if they weren't in the hole in the next bit down. True? No? Does that make sense? How can a piece of wood go sideways? Woodchuck? How does a woodchuck chuck? I could never do ad-libs. Never. I think I need a stool to do the top part. I was saying it's not going to be that high. So it's still the same. Wooded pieces. So now I'm going to look at this because I'm presuming I've got to put the side on first. I have skipped a few. Yeah, you put the side on first. Right, so you've got to put pieces of wood in every single one of these holes. Turn around and face it that way. It's a good idea. What? He's got to get a good shot. He's not bothered about how much room I've got. He's got to get a good shot of me doing this. It is quite amazing that I know people have been building furniture with wood all the time, but these little pieces of wood are going to hold this all together. So I'm really hoping that I've done it right. Normally you glue everything as well as do these wood pieces, don't you? It's like Mr. Producer's built all of these bad boys, and there's no chance they're ever going to come to pieces because he's put that much wood glue in these little holes with the wood pieces, and here's me just battering them in. We shall trust Ikea. They don't say gold glue. We shall trust. We shall trust in the Ikea. In the Ikea God. That's for the screws. So I've got to turn it on its side. How am I going to do the screws then? Huh? Put the base on first, then turn it upside down. How am I going to turn this upside down? Okay. I've only got 2 wood pieces left. So they'll be for the top, won't they? That piece. Someone thinks I'm knocking on the door. I'm not knocking on the door! This might turn the light off though, you know that, don't you? Shush! Why should we just shouting? I've been banging all this time. Let's bang on the wall. Right, so I'm going to put the roof on first, and then, because there'll be just 2 wood bits, and then the screws again, won't it? We've got no plans of turning it over, have we? Because I might have scratched the bottom, because then put the feet on it. I think it does actually say to put the top on it first anyway before screwing in the base. See? Not just a pretty face. Or did you say that? Whew. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. You don't want me to take off all my clothes. Why are you looking like that? Always freaks me out when he looks like, It's this monobrow, or goes to one. It's not going to be straight yet, don't panic. Don't panic, Mr. Mannering. I used to love Dad's Army as a kid. I'm going to put a piece of paper on the top of things so I don't mark it, just in case. What do you think? I'm going to use the instructions, or the destructions. Why is that side not going? What's the matter? Why are you doing those looks to me? Freaking me out, Mr. Producer. They've gone down now. Why is it not going down? Turn it around. What difference is that going to make? Give me like that. Just like that. Right, let's screw this bad boy up, shall we? No, this is the test. Do you know that it's got all sorts on it? Is that because I haven't screwed that side down yet? I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's just because I'm... Hello? Hello? It's me. Fingers crossed I've done it right. I must have done, otherwise it wouldn't be going in, would it? It's a good job they gave you this black thing. I think we should keep it. Or should we give it back? And I am joking, don't panic. Made it sturdy already just by screwing that one in. This is going to attract dust like mad. I can see it. Already, I can see it attracting dust. Mr. Producer's going to be like, I need dusting! Get dusted! Live on YouTube! And just to let you know, Mr. Producer doesn't talk like that. It's got quite a manly voice. Really gruff. It's like a gruffalo. Hey, it's not looking too bad. Look, you see what I mean? It's going to be white. You're going to have to help me flip it over to do the bottom two. What, don't you want me to do the bottom two? Then you're going to have to help me. Oh, yes you are. I was going to get into, oh, okay, cookie, cookie. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. You put your left leg in, your left screw in, out, you shake it all about. You do the hokey cokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. I'm showing my age. Okay, it's living with the Allen key inside it. I let you go around and make sure these are all tight enough. Why are you shaking your head? That's your job. Product control. It's what you have to do. You don't get to just sit there and look pretty. We can't even put it in the kitchen. Oh, we can. Have a look. You can move the door out of the way. Right, I need help now to turn it over. Just put it on the back. You want me to move things out of the way? Go back there. Sorry, you sat there going, no, do that. Sorry. It's gonna hurt me. It's too heavy for me to do that. You're doing that next time. That was far too heavy for me to do that. That could have really damaged. That could have. Wrong move, Mr. Producer. But at least I can put the feet on while I'm here. You know when you know something's going to happen. You made me drop my Allen key. Monkey, I was doing quite well there. Mr. Potato Head. He's never let me live that down when I've said that, called him that on a video once. I don't know how many videos ago. You called me Mr. Potato Head instead of Mr. Producer. Can I turn it sideways? just make it a bit easier. Because with the heat in here, I might go a bit dizzy. There's a squeak. Right, I'll put the feet on while it's there. Because we know we're having it this way around, don't we? Because that's the top. Let's see how fiddly this is going to be on me. Do I put it over the screws? I think they're tight. Should I just make sure before I put the feet on it? This one's not tight down here. I know that. Tight enough? Yes. So we'll stick these on it. I hadn't stuck it on straight. Didn't look very straight. One more. Oh, I can't put it down on the floor, not on my own. What? What? Do I have to put them brackets on, do I? Why? Yes? Do them now while I'm on bed. So these little brackets are for it to be fixed onto the wall, isn't it? We cheated. We read to the end of the story. Yes. While it's on the bed, Mr. Producer says, why not try and put these on? Why not indeed? So first hole, would you say? Because you can have first or second hole. Which hole do you think? Ah, you got to decide something now. First hole? How is that going to fit in there? That is a big one. And I need a screwdriver. Because my Allen key's not got that big. Don't bother then. Oh, I like that. When he's got to go get another screwdriver, he says, oh, don't bother. Don't bother. I've got to move all the hinges and the screws first. I don't feel safe with it. Ta-da! That's not fixed on the wall or anything yet, but I think I need to bang that bit in a bit more. A big gap. I'm not marking it. Might not move now, I've screwed them in anyway. So yeah, there we go, my collapsed bookshelf storage thing. That's going in my lovely new kitchen. All built by me with the occasional signal by Mr. Producer. Yeah, not too bad. So I'll pop it in my kitchen tomorrow, fix it to the wall, and build up my boxes to go in it. And knowing Mr. Producer, you will get to watch all of that. So don't you worry. Thank you for watching, my lovely people. Like the video for me, subscribe to all 4 of my channels, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. And I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye. At the door. I still have to go out the door after all that way. Right, I'm going to get a cup of tea then. See you later.